Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, and we're about to explore something truly groundbreaking, Sora. Get ready because this AI tool is about to rewrite the rules of video creation. Imagine this: you have an idea for a movie scene, a music video filled with fantastical creatures, or even a documentary showcasing impossible animal hybrids. Traditionally, bringing these ideas to life would require a massive budget, a team of skilled professionals, and months of work. But what if I told you there's a tool that can turn your vision into a high-quality video with just a few words? Buckle up, because that's the magic of Sora. In the first 30 seconds of this video, we peeked into that magic. We saw a house you could virtually explore inside and out, an elephant meticulously crafted from leaves, and even a cat sporting a pirate hat while cruising on a Roomba. Believe it or not, these weren't real. They were entirely AI generated by Sora in a matter of seconds based on simple text descriptions. So, what exactly is Sora? Developed by OpenAI, Sora is a cutting-edge text-to-video AI model. Think of it as a digital paintbrush that breathes life into your creative sparks. Unlike basic slideshow makers, Sora is a powerhouse. It can generate incredibly detailed videos, complete with camera movements, diverse characters, and even the ability to convey emotions. Why is this such a significant development? Sora has the potential to revolutionize the creative industry from the ground up. Remember the days of needing tons of expensive equipment and spending hours rendering every scene? Those days are fading fast. With Sora, filmmakers, animators, and even YouTubers can unleash their wildest ideas and bring them to life with incredible speed and ease. Let's see an imaginary video created by Sora.
Builds the giraffe flamingo, a stunning hybrid that roams the savannah with grace and vibrant hues. In episode 2, we ascend the flying pigs, charming creatures that redefine the skies with their harmonious flight. Episode 3 plunges us into the depths to discover the whale puss, an elegant blend of whale and octopus ruling the ocean's abyss. Episode 4 introduces us to the eel cat, an aquatic enigma that combines the sleekness of an eel with the curiosity of a cat. Episode 5 presents the bunny armadillo, a delightful mix of bunny charm and armadillo protection, captivating our hearts. Episode 6 features the horsefly, a small yet noble creature that buzzes with a blend of horse-like dignity and fly-like agility. Episode 7 explores the reptilian aru, a creature that leaps across the desert with the vigor of a kangaroo and the resilience of a reptile. Our adventure culminates in Episode 8 with the fox crow, a fusion of fox cunning and crow freedom soaring through the forests.
OpenAI has been at the forefront of exploring Sora's potential by giving priority access to creative professionals. The results have been nothing short of phenomenal. We've seen a captivating short film about a man with a balloon for a head, a music video overflowing with fantastical creatures, and even a documentary showcasing impossible animal hybrids that seem to leap straight out of our imaginations. These are just a few examples of how Sora can push the boundaries of creative expression. Here's where things get even more exciting. OpenAI has set its sights on bringing Sora to Hollywood. They've been actively meeting with film studios and renowned directors, aiming to integrate this powerful AI tool into the filmmaking process. The possibilities are truly endless. Imagine using Sora for concept art generation, creating detailed pre-visualizations, pre-vise for movies, or even whipping up stunning background footage on the fly. Of course, Sora is still under development, and OpenAI acknowledges there's room for growth. For instance, there's ongoing work on perfecting realistic physics and intricate details. But the progress so far is absolutely mind-blowing. Just a few years ago, the idea of AI generating high-quality videos seemed like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Now, it's becoming a reality. The future of Sora remains to be seen. Will it be released for public use or become an exclusive tool reserved for Hollywood? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, Sora is a game changer, and it will be fascinating to witness how it shapes the creative landscape in the years to come. So, what are your thoughts on Sora? Does the potential of AI-powered video creation excite you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed diving into the world of Sora with me, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates delivered in a way that's clear and informative. See you on the next one.